Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you. Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you.
New York has always been about change, but this part of town was stuck in the past. When the city stops transforming, the city dies. We felt this was a building that had to be built to spark a revival.
We took the leap. One Vanderbilt was our opportunity to put our mark on the skyline.
Bring it in.
This was a building built by New Yorkers for New Yorkers. There was nothing that was going to stop us. One Vanderbilt will forever be ingrained in the fabric of New York City.
This building broke boundaries, redefining what is possible.
We want to create a space that will be unparalleled.
In a way, we'll look back on this period. And the building that will be most looked at and examined will be One Vanderbilt.
Welcome to Summit. Please exit to your right.
Hi, how many?
One.
See that wristband?
Thank you.
First, you're gonna head to my friend in the corner.
Okay.
Going to the Super Bowl.
Do I give you this? All righty. Thank you. All right, never go put on this over my shoes. But because I'm holding the phone, you know, I'm never gonna figure out something. Well, I'm never gonna put on the phone. Sorry about the jerking, guys. see, I have on my thing. You see me? I say, cover my foot. All right, let's go. Wait, you not hear me? You can't hear me? All right, cool. All right, tour, thanks.
Hi, how many?
One.
One? If you head over to number 8, just give it a second to reset it.
Number 8. All right, thank you. I'm sorry.
No, it's okay. It's gonna have you scan your wristband again.
Okay.
Go ahead and scan it. Good. And then step forward for me.
Mm-hmm.
One more step forward. Let me take your hat off. And then take a step forward.
This thing,
Look at the front camera. Hold still for the countdown. 3, 2, 1. Capture completed.
all right, so where am I going next, you know? Excuse me, weird way.
Let's go.
Why am I know me I going, you know? Hello? Just go down there? All right, you come with me when I juggle with me. All righty. What do I do?
Wait here for me. I will wait for the next elevator.
Okay. I wait right here?
Yes.
Okay.
How you doing today?
I'm good, and you?
Amazing.
All right. Oh, you just saying that?
No.
You're doing amazing, for real.
Amazing. Yes, I'm alive.
All right.
I'm here. Now.
I believe you.
You guys can follow along. So you're gonna step down to the light blue light there for me, okay?
Alrighty.
So the light blue light perfect.
Right here? All right. Yeah, man, at the summit. Oh, that's your summit a while ago.
Hi, is everyone here okay with the flashing light show in the elevator? Verbal yes or no?
Yes. You are ready.
Summit's a one-way experience, so please take your time on each floor. Once you go to the next floor, you can't return to the
Miss Hot Girl, you're right. I Summit. Vanderbilt. Okay, I'll try and keep it steady. Let me just rub off these lens for a second, okay? No, it's One Vanderbilt Summit, 42nd Street, right at Grand Central, actually. And that's Manhattan for you. 42nd Street and below, you know, go all the way down Soho, the Village, etc., you know. Of course, that's
The Hudson River over there. On the other side of the Hudson River is New Jersey. Go over that side. People them a cock up. Yo. No, it's what CBS posted. It's called Summit One Vanderbilt. 42nd Street, Manhattan. Yeah, that's the Hudson River over there, and on the other side of the Hudson River is New Jersey. seen that one, yes, you know.
Aqui tem banheiro.
Alrighty. Dr. Mark, big up yourself, you know. Hello. And for those of you just coming at the live, it's called Summit One Vanderbilt, 42nd Street, Manhattan. And price varies with packages, but the basic one is like $44. Glass elevator.
So the glass elevator would be on the last floor. Unfortunately, it's down for maintenance right now, but we do have a glass ledge in the next room, so you can step out on that. It's not going to be an elevator, but you'll still be able to see.
Okay, but the glass elevator is under maintenance, right? Okay, and the glass ledge is around there?
The glass ledge, yes. Did you happen to have a ticket for the elevator, or you were just asking?
I was just asking.
Okay, just want to make sure.
All right then, thank you, appreciate it. Okay, good. The glass elevator is under maintenance, but them say we can go out on the glass ledge. Look like we have a line for it, but to go on the ledge. Okay. I'm going to join the line to go up on the ledge. Romania madman, you know, boy, you see somebody over Jersey. Where's a Romanian? You see somebody over New Jersey, don't? Love a girl, just cool, man. You coulda do it, man. What you afraid of? Eh? You ain't got nothing to be afraid of. Falling, you're not falling away. You're not the building, you're safe and sound, man. I happen to you. Excuse me, my man, what floor are we on here? 92nd. 92nd? Okay, people, we're on the 92nd floor. And you see that glass there? When you stand up on it, you look right down. Where's the doctor, Mark? You're on your way, right? Lover girl say her knees would be wobbly. Lornette, you wanna go up on the glass? Why? You don't have nothing for free though. She rises strong. I was afraid of heights until I joined the military. See it there? Angel, this is called Summit One Vanderbilt in Manhattan, 42nd Street. One door right, it not scary or nothing, man. From you just know, say, you're not drop, you don't have nothing for free there. You see what I say? Milo, big up yourself, you see it? Emily, big up yourself. I don't know afraid of heights. Remember, the reason I'm afraid of heights and the thing could never drop down. But if you just logically understand, say, when you're there, so you can't drop there. You're not a reason for afraid. Lover girl, you're so cute. You're afraid of heights, don't? Big time. Alright guys, me on the line here, you know? Peter Gay, Summit One Vanderbilt, Manhattan. have a cover, you know.
Hey guys, big fan of everyone. Let's get a little bit more. Thank you.
You see them trees up there, so? That's the southwest corner of Central Park. You see those buildings over there? Those 4 buildings behind the Comcast building, they're basically at the base of Central Park, right? And they're on what is referred to as Billionaires Road, because the apartments in those buildings, well, I don't even think you can call them apartments, you know, penthouse and suites or whatever the case may be. All $100 million for one. And my law school, where I went to law school, it's to the it's up there, you know. It's my law school, Fordham University School of Law. It's in Lincoln Center, and Lincoln Center is to the left of Central Park up there. So it's over to the left, like from here in front of Billionaires Road. Of course, all this is a sight to behold at night. You know it go with the city lights at night or whatever. It's a whole different view, a whole different feel, you know. And this building is open till pretty late. Some people, you see a lot of people come here during the day, but some people rather come at night. You can enter up until about 10:30 p.m. here. It closes at 12 midnight, I think, but you can enter up till 10:30 p.m. Meaning if you come in at 10:30 p.m. with the last group, you have like an hour and a half to enjoy what's going on, you know? And of course, Midtown is over there, over that side. You have Midtown.
Whichever side you go to, we're doing 2 photos of you guys. After our 2 photos, you're going to have 30 seconds on your own. And then this one. Thank you. Scan that in, and then you're going to be on this side. It looks like the 2 photos, then 30 seconds.
One.
Just let's go. I want to go in just a moment. Actually show that wristband.
Hello.
3, 2, 1. And then the second photo is going to be from that middle picture there. In 3, 2, 1.
Thank you. Oh, there we go. That's what I'm going to be standing on.
Yep.
All right.
Did you want to take out the backpack?
Huh? No. Why?
Oh, no, just for the photo.
Oh, that's okay. No.
Sounds good. Okay.
All right.
Where you are is perfect. So look up there.
Up there?
Yep. Big smiles. Ready? 3, 2, and 1.
How many are they taking?
I did one. If you can, just keep this thing like over here.
All right.
And then keep it like to your side and look up. Ready?
Okay.
3, 2, 1. Next, we want to see your hands and face. You know?
Okay. All right.
Look at this camera over there in the middle.
That one over there, this one over here. Okay, here we go.
3, 2, 1.
All righty.
Okay.
All right.
You have 30 seconds.
Okay, 30 seconds. People, look what I'm standing on. Lover girl, you could do this. You could have stand up on this. Nothing to fear, lover girl. You could do this, man. All right. All right, I gotta go. Never come off. Only 30 seconds, auntie. Yep. You're a gangster, man. We're not afraid of nothing down. All right, thank you. So, the glass them so clean that. Okay, good. I'm touching it. Yeah, that's Central Park up there. It looks small from here, but it's pretty big. So this is, you're looking at 42nd Street, go up, go all the way up. This right here is likely the famous 5th Avenue. You're looking right here. Now go right all the way up. And then beyond Central Park is, Harlem and so forth. Moy said, good morning, my husband. Good morning, my wife. And again, at the base of Central Park, the bottom of Central Park, it's called Billionaires Row, and it's like Manhattan, is a little island, but Manhattan have like 20 to I would say about 20 to 30 distinct neighborhoods inside Manhattan. Hell's Kitchen, Upper West Side, Upper East Side, Soho, the Village, the Meatpacking District, and so, like Manhattan is a world by itself. And you have people who are like born and raised in Manhattan their entire life and basically not going nowhere else, believe it or not, in this little island here. So the base of Central Park up there, some people refer to as Upper Midtown because we're actually in Midtown right here. If you look over there, you see those little lights over there. That's where all of the, Times Square type of thing, the lights and all of the billboards and all of them. Over this side there. So 42nd Street runs straight go down into it, But again, those buildings, you see them big buildings you see up there, so It's ridiculous real estate, man. I tell you. The amount of money people pay for property over there, so it's not normal, you know? All right, let's go. Oh, we have to show up on again. Okay.
Should show up on the screen in 30 seconds.
Okay. Oh, something over there on the screen. Let's go. I'm going on, yes, sir. You know. Like one facing at the cloud, you see? When it look like one facing at the cloud, you always see Jesus there, and you see the face. Excuse me, is this gonna show anything or it's just the clouds?
It should be showing faces in the clouds. Do you want me to scan your wristband again to see it?
Oh. I thought I saw a face in the cloud.
Yeah, that's
so wait, I'll see my face in the cloud?
Yes, sir.
For real?
Yeah, the one, we took the face, you did the face scan downstairs, right?
Yeah.
Boss, you from the Caribbean?
Yeah.
Where from?
Jamaica.
Kingston?
Where are you from?
Guyana.
Okay, all right. Seeing. So I should see my face in the cloud?
30 seconds,
I have to look for it? Okay. All right, let me see my face. I thought I saw. All right. When I'm looking for my face. No, that's not me. That's not me. Want to see my face? I don't. I was looking for somebody with a big nose and big head. Yo, I'm gonna see me, you know. John, no. Who that? Oh, you can go. I'm gonna see it, yeah, man. Thank you. Thanks, man. I'm sorry?
Oh, you can also remove these and place them in here.
Oh, I could take them off now. Thank you.
Hay un croissant de ham and cheese.
Hello. I'm good, and you? All right.
Caramel and banana pudding, please.
These are all the drinks you have, right? I'm sorry?
They also pop up on the screen so you can see what they look like at the end.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. Falling in love, elevated martini, white Negroni, summit solstice, flying in space, mango nojito, melon berry spritz, sky tie, sunset margarita, espresso martini, passion fruit Cosmo, floating on clouds. Tina Lee, what you say, flying in space? I don't know, you know. Is that floating on the clouds good?
Very good. It's a pina colada.
It's a pina colada. The blue one.
Blue one. Blue curacao. Very tasty.
That's the one I'm going to have to pay for it first over
Yes,
there?
you just put it right here, then we'll make it right here.
All right. I think I'm going to try that floating on clouds thing. Yeah. And can I just have some wings with that, please? You have wings, right?
I have boneless buffalo chicken. Is that okay?
Yeah, that's fine. Do you have any like pepper? Can I get any like pepper with that? Not black pepper, like
red pepper?
yeah, even that.
Spicy?
Yeah.
The buffalo is a little bit spicy, but I'm pretty sure we have hot sauce on the side, yeah?
Yeah, I'll work with that, please.
Okay.
You're on camera, Amber.
I know, I should smile, right?
Raga. R-A-G-A.
Perfect. It's gonna be 4028, okay?
Okay.
Stop right here, please.
Okay.
Yes. Select on the top, sign at the bottom, please. I'll give you the receipt just in case. My friend has your drink, but we're gonna call you for the chicken, okay?
Oh, it's made already, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you.
Alrighty. There we go. Alright, we'll go over here, so. Nice. Get the end. Now have to sit on between the body. You see what I need a straw. Alright, hold on. This thing I go shake up for a little for a second. Just, waiting for my chicken. Yeah, if anybody want, I think that's it. This looks short. When you say cookie man, say you don't watch it drink. Don't worry yourself, me I watch it too, you know. Them not slip nothing in it, you know. Them not slip nothing in my drink. And then come get me, no problem. Thanks, Everita. Mixup. You see how the lemon, you see how that looks swivel up? But it's a thing. Wait, I want number my arm. Hold on. $97, that's me. Yeah. Now when I say it may look, when I just come a foreign and I see this, like I was like, but it dry out and stay bad or whatever, but it's a thing, you know, like what's your name? They say it's roasted and thing. Junk where you say junk food? Yeah. Is this carrot? So how the end it looks up. What the one so looks.
Malika? One latte for Malika?
Chumpy, come up in that chat. Chumpy, come up in that chat. not hear me, right? You not hear me? Okay. Oh, all right, Trump. This is y'all drive, okay. Oh, I'm in a minute taste it yet. Hold on. My type of drink. I don't like strong drink with it. I don't like drink with too strong when I taste good. I like to drink them with the woman they like. Without apology. You drink them when them claims are girly drink. I them drink them in like. Them could have done me look more in a business. I them drink them in like. Sex on the beach, anything with blue curacao and them something. White Russian and them drink them. Then I like no gin and no heavy something or whatever. You understand? Somebody come up tonight, chat. Somebody come up tonight, chat. Yes, if I'm water on the bill is, you know, yep, that's me.
Yo.
Romain, where you say?
There, man. Oh, you do the
Get
food
it, man.
review and you're not telling me about the food.
Eh?
I said, oh, you do the food review and you're not telling me about the food. How are you?
No, you are going. You notice me to have a whole lot of vegetable first, no?
Yeah, I noticed that. Yeah, I noticed that.
Yeah, man, it tastes good. It tastes good. I'm just eat piece of chicken with a hot sauce for them. But you know, for them hot sauce now, I have no flavor anyway, so.
Yeah,
you don't think it just hot, so you know, come in like our pepper will have flavor, you know, so I don't know it go already. When you come to them places and them charge you a whole heap of money for kind of fast food, you know. So you know the drink, yes. You never bother selling. Just eat something to catch up my stomach, I would say.
Yeah, because you say you're going to do the food review from when you know, I say, well, I got the first food review, but I'm not telling about the food.
This is not the first food review, now what do that different?
Yeah, man, we know what I say, come on.
Now we go restaurants and do that, you know? Okay. You look forward to that actually, you enjoy them something, you know?
Yeah, man, yeah, man. I get ready to go up a Delaware there, you know? Yeah, man, I'm on the road.
Where you drive? No? Or you just...
No, I'm not driving.
Oh.
Yeah,
Oh, you have a Delaware looking from this?
Yeah, about the next 10 minutes I'll report. Yeah, about the next 10 minutes I'll report and get Delaware.
Oh, okay. From North Carolina?
Yeah, North Carolina.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I leave vessel from Virginia.
Eh?
No, I leave vessel from Virginia and pick up a trailer and then go Delaware.
Oh, okay. Wow. We think you don't have your own truck.
Yeah, me have one truck, man.
No, but a particular trip they have to use somebody else's truck.
No, somebody else's trailer.
Eh?
Somebody else's trailer.
Somebody else's trailer. Oh, okay.
Yeah. I used to work a trailer for the one.
You see that again?
So I used to work a trailer for the one. You got a trailer, but we need to pick one, you know?
Okay, alright. What they are talking about? Soon left that place there, you know?
Yeah. But they said to Dr. Max, say, yo, I wonder what the cloud tastes like. You know, the cloud they didn't get for the drink.
You know, say it look like I just cotton candy. And if it's blue, you look like I'm not that blue.
Oh, it's blue?
No.
Okay.
Sorry?
Like name, the TikTok name.
Oh, Ragashanti. Oh. You want a TikTok name? But they didn't have trouble. But it was one of the names. Okay. And this is for?
Deo.
Huh?
Deo. Like Deo, D-I-O.
D-I-O? What's that?
Like my name.
That's your name?
Yeah.
Oh, and you just want to check it out?
Yeah, I just want to check it out.
Oh, okay. Alright. Dio, that's your real name?
Oh, my real name is Dionisio.
Dionisio, is that Greek?
Yes.
Oh, but are you Greek?
No.
You're Latino? Okay. ¿De dónde eres?
Dominican Republic.
Somos vecinos del Caribe. Soy jamaicano. Sí. Me llamo Ragashanti. Sí. ¿En qué parte de la República Dominicana? Santiago. Sí. He visitado allá. Pero Santiago hace mucho tiempo, ¿no? Eso es. Sí. De nada. Dios. And so we just want to check out my TikTok. So, no, I'm saying that I'm going to imagine and I'm just check your thing up to see where you're
So the weird carrot, it tastes like a carrot or what?
No, man. It tastes like carrot, but you know, we explain this. You know, for them thing over here, no really. Sometimes, I don't know, like how them grow it, you know, as a rich, that's what we use. So it has a kind of, you know, carrot have a distinct taste, like, you know, it have a distinct taste. But them carrots we eat up, them kind of taste like a water carrot. You know what I mean?
Yeah, like a what? Yeah.
That makes sense to me, sir?
Fresh. Yeah, man, they're
Yeah,
fresh.
you don't really have that distinct carrot taste. But we used to that because they're not really, you know?
Yeah, but you know if you grow it yourself over here, it tastes different from them one too.
Yeah?
If you grow it yourself, you know, it still tastes different from the one that you know. Like if you grow it yourself over here.
Oh. Yeah, if you grow it yourself over here now.
Yeah.
Yeah, if it's organic, it have a taste. Well, supposedly better, you know?
But when I think them, I realize with them something like even the soil, the dirt, you never use nothing right name there, but just the dirt where it growing that can make a difference, you know?
Yeah, man, that's the dirt. Because I grow all my stuff in my backyard. I'm not use no chemical none at all.
Exactly. And it tastes different though.
Yeah, it tastes different.
And it tastes better than when you get a public store.
Yeah, man.
I taste better than the vegetable than when the ANC them eat down.
It's way better.
Yes, way better than when the ANC them eat down.
Yeah, man. As even the other day, I bring some tomato and give my grandmother, you know. And she said, but them not ripe. I said, no man, them so ripe, man, just make them stay, you know. And by the time, a couple of days after she came in, she said, yo, the tomato is sweet, man. And I said, yeah, because them grow right way.
But you know, I don't like the things I'm up here. I don't know if this ever happened to you. You ever buy fruits or vegetables like something like lemon and then something? And when you put them down, after a while, within 2-3 days or so, them rotten in a kind of powdery way. You ever see that yet? It's almost like them are turning into ashes.
Yeah, man. Especially the lime. Especially the green lime. Yeah, especially the green lime. Yeah.
Yeah, them some of that. That weird, no? Eh? How I want this one? Eh? How I want this to make that happen? That can't, that not sound, it not sound, you know. No. They must have grown somewhere, feet are rotten that way, they are turning into the ashes somewhere, you know.
And maybe I wonder
what
they put preserve it, you know.
Eh?
Maybe I wonder what they put to preserve it.
Exactly, but yo, then that go inside of you when you eat it.
Yeah.
So what I say? That go in you when you eat it. Well, I eat that for me, you know. Let me eat this. Anyway, Master, respect for the aliens and things. Handle your business, alright?
Yeah, man, big up yourself and bless up, you know. Big up the whole TamFam.
Alright, Rocky, now respect for the powers, you know. Alright, man.
Yeah, man. Yeah, so man, RagaRoad is nice, man.
See, bless up yourself, madam. Alright?
Alright, blessings.
Protection. Go on. Man cooking a good man. Yo, for fast food, the chicken that tastes too bad still.
Monica?
vibe. Caribbean people. Christina, black that's in the boss see my peer, they look freak them. Caribbean people, why when we go these places where we don't have to clean up after? It is not expected for you to clean up after, right? If you leave and whatever, and them have what them call the bus boys and them people come. But we still end up clean the table before we leave. Is that Mr. Jamaicans do it all the while, you know? Mr. Caribbean people do it all the while. Even if them leave the things, them pile them up and clean them up and organize them and thing and whatever, you know? And some of them look drunk or crosses people, but I want to convince people say somehow, you know, we're not cosmopolitan and modern and clean as them. And we have always been cleaner than them, you know. Yeah, even some of the most careless Jamaican them and Caribbean people, them I leave some of them are clean up and organize and put the plate them together and all these things, you know. No. That's how it is, though. Well, I'm not for Brandon it is, right? What's up?
How you doing?
You alright? Having a good day? I sincerely hope so. Do you guys have oat milk?
Yeah.
Okay, can I have a macchiato with oat milk, please?
The macchiatos are classic size, so it's like this big.
Oh, it's small?
Cappuccino or
I can't.
try to insert it.
What do you have that's a big cup?
Oh, like latte.
Okay, can I have a latte, please? How many shots in your latte?
You want to do two? We won't charge you for it.
You won't charge me for it? Okay, 2 shots, fine.
2 shots?
Yeah.
And you want like vanilla, caramel?
No sugar. No sugar at all, but with oat milk. Okay.
And your name?
Raga, R-A-G-A.
That's it. There you go. 871.
Excuse me?
It's 871. Right?
Okay.
You just sign it. Thank you. And I'll call your name down this way.
Okay.
Thank you.
Appreciate that, Brandon. Thank you. All right, good. Sorry. What's that? What's it called?
Passion Fruit Cosmo for
Passion Fruit Cosmo. Okay.
Matt.
Man, that looks good. You're welcome. Yo, me love passion fruit, you know. Huh? Oh, yes, you are. Huh? TikTok. ¿Y usted cómo se llama? ¿Ah? Jackie. Un placer de conocer. All right. I think that's the person making my thing over there. Evoking, wagwan. Queen to the Tisia. Thank you, Christina, for block them little freak. They will run up in a paper thing. You know, I sell them good. Nikki Wagwan. Nikki, you know, say you're a bad girl deep down. Queen. Oh, yep. All right. This is mine? Thank you. What's your name? Huh? I've never heard that before, Jamise. I'm sure you've heard people say they never heard that before many times. Jamise. That's nice. That's a pretty name. Thank you. All right, good. People never hear that name there before, Jamise. We never hear that before. To the teeth, yeah, what you say there, Turks and Caicos? And I'm about to taste this. People may not put sugar in my thing anymore, you know, so I'm gonna force myself to acquire a different taste, you know. Yeah, it's good. Mika, wagwan. Okay, let's go. Take a look down on the road, you see what I'm saying? This is probably like the 94th or 96th. What floor is this? Like 94? 93? Okay, thank you. Thank you, sir. Hello. All right, thank you so much. And by the way, the service over there was really good. They're awesome. Nice and friendly and cool.
Glad to hear it.
And the food tasted good. And I'm not just saying that to be nice.
Right, awesome. Glad
yeah, it tasted nice. Okay, appreciate it. You know, sometimes you go to these places and they give you these fast food and it don't really taste good.
Yeah, right.
The vegetables taste good, the food tastes good, the chicken tastes good.
Awesome.
I appreciate it.
Yes,
okay?
Sir.
All right. Blessings. Good. Love the hair. You're welcome. Accent ticketing. What's this accent ticketing? What's this? Drew. This is Summit One Vanderbilt, Midtown Manhattan. Yo, my man, what's up? This thing right here, what's going on?
It's a hologram photo. If you look right there, you'll be able to see. It kind of just turns you into a little person on your phone.
It kind of what?
Turns you into like a little person on your phone.
It turns me into a little person?
Yeah, so you get to see yourself like as a hologram.
As a hologram.
Right. Hey guys, want to see your photo? More pictures?
You know, Mr. Man, keep it real. Mr. Man say, you ain't no work with you, man. As usual, when you leave them places, they make you walk through the gift center for sell you all kind of thing, you know?
Welcome in. Take a look at your photos. Scan wristbands right over here.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Wait, let me get my little thingy. This is it? Okay. Let's see what we got.
Yeah, I think somebody's showing
Are you guys gonna make me look like a supermodel? Let me see.
You can't record this.
No, I'm not recording it. No, I'm not.
It's fine.
No, what I'm saying is,
Alright, go ahead, you can swipe.
I think I'll get it. Yeah, I'll get it. So that's one. What's the other one? Yeah. So how did it go? Like when you, what is there like a package or something?
Yeah, so these are all the photos you got today.
Yeah.
You can download all of these for free.
I could what?
You can download all of them.
I could download all of them. Yeah, why don't I get that option? I would love to get that option.
Okay. When you're ready, you can tap over.
Okay, I tap over here. Can you just hold this on me? Do you mind?
Yeah.
I appreciate it. I really do appreciate it. All right, you can film me.
Yeah?
You can film me.
Okay.
If you don't mind. Doing all this extra work. Huh?
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
All good. I'll be your cameraman today.
All right. So.
Yeah, let's not.
Huh?
Yeah, I don't want to leave
you. Okay. Appreciate that. All right.
There we go.
Lucky, hold it back up now.
Yep. There you go.
Yeah, there you go. Some more set. Where do I go now?
Alright, so what we do, you get the photos.
Yeah.
There you go.
Scan your wristband.
Yeah.
With your phone camera. So you can do it when you get home or whenever.
Yeah.
So you just take it, scan your wristband. It's gonna pop up a link. That link will be put on the page.
When I go home, what I do?
The wristband. You got that wristband that you want?
Yeah.
So you take it.
Yeah.
And then you're gonna scan with your phone camera.
Yeah.
Like this. It will pop the link.
Right.
That link will bring you here. You press go.
And I can download the pictures.
Yep, once you put in your name and your email, press go, the photos will all pop up.
Nice. So if I lose this.
Yep, when you lose it, it's going to be in the email. When you put your email in, it's going to also be in there. So
Thank you so much. You're so nice and patient with me. I appreciate it. All right, take care. And thanks for helping out, okay? Appreciate it. Thanks a lot. All right.
Have a good day, sir.
You too. Take care. All right. $25 and you download the picture of them, I think. That's not bad. Usually at them places, them want to charge your arm and leg, you know. See, I'm drinking my latte. Yo, by the way, I'm a latte guy, you know. Turn to concourse. You've been working so hard all day, you know that? Huh? Yes, one. Right here? Nice. Oh, I can go here because it's me alone?
Yeah.
Okay, nice. I appreciate that. Appreciate that.
Just because it's like, if it's 2 people, then yeah, we're gonna.
Right. Okay. That's cool. I work with that. I'm not gonna complain.
Like, we try helping out as best as we can, and we give it the best experience.
There you go. I appreciate that, man. Appreciate that. I can go in? Okay. Do I have to touch anything or just take me down? Okay. Yeah. Y'all gonna have a good time. See what the woman them, you sure she lean in on him. I saw you know if I hear a woman, you know. Push the door, my youth. Push the door. Yeah. What thing? Alright, respect, man. Thank you. Appreciate it. Where may I go now? Go over here. All right, so my train station is actually right here, but see, but why don't we take a little walk down to Times Square? Look at this. So the leaf them a move, the things them a move. Yeah. It's nice. All right. All right. Let me see if I can catch my bearings. I know. Oh, there's Madison. That means that Times Square should be this way, I think. So I take a look, a small walk, go down the line, you know. Wait, how long now the live are run? Oh, I can't see the time. Christina, how long the live are run? Oh, I can't see this thing. No, I'm not take a cab go down at Times Square. You know. You're mad, man. Chumpy, you're mad. Oh, so almost 2 hours the live I run. Alright, then cool. I'm on 43rd Street. That's 42nd Street down there. So I'm going to walk over to Times Square.
Right, that's a girl. It takes time. Well, and those are the ones where like the calls are on Friday nights and Saturdays. Yeah.
Rolly? Which Rolly? When last me hear from Rolly? Which Rolly that? Yes, quick is our tour we are going to send on today, a small tour, you know. People are run out in our road. I watch them, here we go. All right, people, no walk with me. Well, on and not walk, but you know what I mean, right? Seeing, I go down the line. This name was RagaRoad. If you look on my profile page, in terms of the clips them there, you're going to see one topic named, you'll see one thing named RagaRoad. I want to go on with that man here. He look like a firefighter. This look like it probably like a tribute to like the 9/11 firefighter them or something. Don't see it? Let me see what it says. Firefighter's prayer. When I'm called to duty, God, wherever flames may rage, give me the strength to save some life, whatever be its age. Help me embrace a little child before it is too late, or save some older person from the horror of that fate. Enable me to be alert and hear the weakest shout, and quickly and efficiently to put the fire out. I want to fill my calling and to give the best in me, to guard my every neighbor and protect his, well, I'm not her, but I'm going to say, or her property. And if I have to lose my life, according to our faith, please bless with your protecting hand my children and my mate. Author unknown. That deep in a man. Yeah, if a man have a man and woman have that conviction there and say, yo, I'm gonna do this to protect people, you know. And I know some of me are dead, you know, but it is what it is. If I'm dead or so, but all I ask if you do is protect my children, look out for my children and my mate, you know. In this case, I say look out for my woman, my wife, or whoever. You understand? Yeah, man, big up all firefighters, you know. And big up everybody who involved in a something where you protect people in some way, form or the other. Knowing full well, say, you have to make some sacrifice or make the ultimate sacrifice and thing, yeah. Big up all who endanger them lives every day for other people. And when we say endanger, I don't want to just think about firefighter and police and soldier. I want to think about all nurse too and them people, you know, say some people don't appreciate them, just appreciate the nurse them and thing because them are care. But enough people don't appreciate, say it's a risky job them do too, you know. Right? Big up all of the healthcare workers them who they run some people where you have to do what you do, but you can't go catch all something from them, and you know, and I hit that. Saying, or an eagle go slip and thing, and I hit that. Somebody go sneeze and all them something there, and I hit that. Right? Particularly them healthcare workers, they will work around people, even if you not catch an infection, just for work in an environment where you see people are dead all the time, you know. And people who work at nursing home and them something. And you see people are dead all the time. That is not a good thing, you know. It must have some kind of impact on your mind, you know. Right? know enough Jamaican work on nursing home. When them tell me something or whatever, I say, John, no, I don't even. I don't want to deal with them things there, you know. Yeah? People, you don't know say death have a smell. Like when people are go dead, them have a smell. I never know that, you know. People who work at nursing home tell me that, you know. Yeah, man. Our Caribbean people, and Jamaican and Caribbean people who work at nursing home tell me that, say, yeah, man, Raga. You know when the people them go dead, you know, them have a smell. The first time I hear that, I say, chap, that's foolishness, what can go? So them I say, yeah. So them have a particular smell. You know, respect, sir. Respect. My respect, sir. Yeah, what that go? Where that? Brooklyn. Respect. Here, sir, that's a word, man. Cool. You can imagine you work somewhere, you know, and all the smell they come up and you say, John, no, you know, say, Miss Bennett I go, oh, you know, yeah, she have the death smell, you know. Imagine I work with them type of meds there. I know it may impact you, you know. Excuse me, I'm not being rude, but you're a very attractive lady here. Blessings and respect here. Cool. Sometimes if you make the ladies them know when things are going on for them. You see what I say? Yeah. Well, people don't know. It's funny, but you know New York City have 5 boroughs, right? But the truth is, we in New York City, we know New York City with 5 boroughs. But the world, everybody outside in the world, when they hear about New York City, it's just Manhattan them a thing. It's just Manhattan, you know. But even if you're upstate New York or whatever, and them say, yo, me I go to the city, 9 times out of 10 Manhattan them I refer to. Right? When me live in New York, oh, watch you know, goods are roll out, you know, big up yourself, you know, goods. Watch you, goods are roll out to the my back, you know, a woman that, you know, bumbo clad, all them goody. You want to say our money balance up, you know. Chumping about that one like you want bad mind goods, you know. Hold on, make a good one. See her there. My back shop push here. Know that the dollar's up. And squeaky. I see you want, you know, squeaky. John was squeaky, you know, you jump up in the my back lady car there and whatever, you know, squeaky. You know, you think with that set, you know. But you have to perform and go on good squeaky. You couldn't go on, we don't look at idiot thing. Right? If you ever take the my back ride and thing, you know. Problem if you're driving at the my back, you just have to be careful if she takes you. If she tells you I want you all do certain things, then you have to go tell her, say, yo, you drive my back, but not my back. You get it squeaky? That tell her, yes, sir, respect, sir. Maximum respect, sir. Blessings. Easy, sicky, blessing. Yes, squeaky, so. Yes, squeaky, you see, if you get that little ride, you know, and you're driving at my back and she going like she want to come freak you out, you just tell her, say, B, I know you drive on my back, you know. But watch you know. You can't come violate my back. Drive your back. When you're my back. But it out of bounds for my back. You understand, squeaky? You have to make sure you know what is what, yeah? I like them something and I summer them look up. Outdoor thing, man.
Nice.
We just take a look at walk go down in a Times Square, you know. So we're at the intersection of 43rd and 6th Avenue, you know. 6th Avenue is also called Avenue of the Americas. Just to make you know certain little thing, you know. See? Watch your ride. I walk where I walk. Come in, TamFam. And juggle with RagaRoad, you know. You know things set down. But yeah, so good. I put angels around you to keep you from harm, to light up your darkness until you're safe in my arms. I put angels around you. Man, I know the next line. Da 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 dee da da do da da. Dee 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 da. Seymour, wagwan, you there? Blood clot. Seymour, a bad girl, you know, you can't know the bad girl, you know. Seymour, what you say? Alright, people, we're going right down in the heart of Times Square here now, you know. Just this way we take a walk, go circle the place a little bit. And then we leave and go back, as we got work to do. People that around the area that is referred to as Broadway, with a player named Juliet. Juliet, the hit musical, There's Life After Romeo, but Romeo dead, and Juliet live and I take her next man. You see what I tell you now? Right, ladies will love you, you know, but to all I man them out there now, nobody go clown out on yourself and go kill off on yourself and stress out on yourself and go dead over a woman certain way. Not worth it. Because when Romeo left Juliet, Juliet go and take Squeaky. You understand? So no balance up on the thing. You have a woman that move certain way and whatever and I go on like she don't want to respect a certain way. You don't even have to war or do or nothing, just leave her alone. People you say that's Tony's Di Napoli. It's a world famous steakhouse, you know? But a white people famous, you know? All white people love it. And Tony's Di Napoli. That's basically saying Tony's from Naples in Italy. Alright? Alright, people, we're going right in a Times Square, you know. Go on. See the Remy Martin. Of course, the spectacle here is it look better at night time, you know, the lights. Alright, we're down at the bottom part, we have to go over, we have to cross the road down here, so. See it there? People, this is probably the #1 picture spot and visit spot in a Manhattan, you know. This is a tourist place, you know. And of course, at the center of Broadway. So you have a whole bunch of Broadway theaters down here. And you see later on tonight, oh, that's a black. I have to watch your bag and think about pickpocket and all them people are there and all these things, you know. Respect my brother. I'm not good at playing chess.
Well, I can coach you through it, make you better.
Huh?
Coach you through it and make you better.
You sure?
It's positive, trust me.
All right. Hold on. Well, just a little bit then, okay?
All right.
Not much, okay?
Just a small donation after the.
Yeah, I'll give you a donation. Don't worry. But I'm not good at it, okay? All right. I know a little about it. Okay, so I'm gonna. What's your name?
Mac.
Mac.
Yes.
A pleasure meeting you. I am Raga.
Yes.
Mac, where are you from?
I'm from Brooklyn, New York, originally, but I live in the Bronx right now for the past 15 years.
Okay, I'm Raga.
Right.
I'm originally from Jamaica.
Okay.
All right.
South Carolina.
South Carolina. All right then. So I'm going to play the little bit that I know.
Right.
And you can give me some advice, like how to make what I should do, okay?
Okay. All right.
So, all right then. So I'm going to try and own the center, right?
Touch the piece, you gotta move it.
All right. If I touch a piece, I have to move it.
Yes.
All right then, Mac. I'm going to do this.
Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna do this.
You're going to do that. All right. I'm going to do this.
Okay.
I'm going to do this. Remember, no, I'm not good at this.
I know, I understand.
Okay. All right. Knight up. This is my king, right?
Yes.
Can I castle?
Yes.
All right. People, this is all your castle.
Yes.
The one here,
Yes.
and then you bring your rook over here.
Yes.
Bombard star, Mac, no, Raga work down, I work down. All right. You know you're gonna beat my ass, though, right? Whatever, man.
I don't like to lose. So.
You don't like to lose. Well, we'll see you, Agwan. Okay. Cause this is not checkers. This is some adult shit.
Yes. Outdoors.
Right?
Yes.
We ain't in okay. All right. I'm gonna do this. Now, if I take this, you're gonna take me there. So
So you get 2 pawns for a night. That's up
I
to
get
you.
2 pawns, two pawns for a night.
Right, because the knight takes, I take the knight, the bishop takes the pawn. You get 2 pawns for your what? For your knight.
No.
That's not worth it. Yeah, because
Yeah.
3 points.
Nice try, Mac.
Yeah.
I ain't gonna give him my bishop. I ain't gonna give him my knight for no pawn.
Right. Now,
Yeah.
2 pawns now.
Yeah.
3 pawns maybe.
Yeah. 3 pawns, but not 2 pawns for a night. You know what I'm saying? You're trying to seduce me to go over there and do that. Okay, I know that much. I'm not gonna give him my knight for no pawn.
No.
Well, not easily.
Right.
Okay. Let me see. Oh boy. Mike, I don't know shit what I'm doing, but hey, let's go. There we go. What did you just move? Your bishop?
Bishop, yes.
Where is your... Okay. Oh, shit. You a smart one, Mac. Okay, here we go.
Okay, so now I threaten the knight.
Okay, so the knight is under attack.
Yes.
Oh, shit. All right. So I can escape and go over here. But then you're just going to go there.
No, well, if you go here, I might do something like push the pawn here. So your king won't take it.
Yeah. All right, then. You know what? I'm going to try that. Are you setting me up, Mac?
No, if you go here, I got to go here because you'll take my pawn.
Okay, all right, then. Because that's what I'm going to do. I'm learning.
I mean, you don't have to. You can always go back over here.
Well,
Save your night. I mean, if you go here, it just gives me an extra tempo.
right, okay.
But if you go back over here, you're good. I'll be in your house, but
I appreciate you teaching me. Okay, boom. I'm coming back here. People may I play one game, so just work with me, yeah? Mackie
now
sticks.
your pawn is in jeopardy. I can take that pawn because there's no protection on it.
Oh, shit. You're right.
Or if you bring the knight over here, now you're protected.
Is it my move?
Yes.
You see that? People, you see, he's really teaching me because if I bring the knight back here,
Right now,
so the pawn is protected and defended, okay. All right then, knight. Knight go right there. So this pawn is now threatened.
right. But you got to protect it, so
You got to protect him because the bishop is right here.
So I have to put some more.
So you
pressure
come
on
here, I'm gonna fuck you up.
it. Right. So
Okay.
my next move gonna be here. Now I can take it. Boom, boom, boom. I win a.
Oh shit. Oh shit. Yeah.
You gotta
But
stay there, protect this pawn because I'll take it, and then your rook will be in jeopardy.
and then my rook
So the
would be
knight
in
has to-
jeopardy.
Yeah. So
Okay.
the knight has to stay there. Unless you push this pawn, then you're good.
Yeah, because if I push this pawn, if you take that, then I could take it on the diagonal.
Yes.
I open up, pay attention, you know. No found a chess, a draft on a player. A big man thing right here, so you know, I say, Maka teach me. Bam! Let's see what's up.
Okay. It's a good move.
Okay. Cheryl Bless, big up. I'm just having fun, by the way, people, and thing. You know, me and Mac here just doing a thing. Okay, what do I do? If I go there, that's probably not a good idea. I have to leave this for protect. I have to leave this to protect the king, no?
Yeah, you need
That's,
all of them.
yeah, because that's why we castle there.
Right.
So I have to, as much as possible, don't touch these palms
Right, yep.
to protect the
If
king.
You want to go right here. I don't know. You go right here, I go right here. Then you go right here. Now I got you in the corner. So
Nah, I don't want to
I
be
don't know.
cornered there.
Yeah.
I want the knight to stay in the middle so I have room to maneuver
Yes,
and
yes.
shit.
Yep.
Okay. Damn, Mac, I don't know what to do. But we got to do something, right? We got to do something.
maybe you want to go past pawn. I don't know. So if you go here,
No. All right, so you're there.
if you do this, I go here, and then you go here, and that'll be good for you. That's past pawn. If you go here, I go here, you're gonna lose. Because you open up, now your king side is open. But if you go past pawn here, I take, you take there, or you can take there with the knight. And your position.
Okay, let me do it so that I get the practice.
All right.
So if I go here, you say, right?
Nope.
Or here?
Right.
Okay.
Past pawn. Just past my pawn. You
Okay,
didn't
and for
challenge
those
it.
of you who don't know, from your first position, you can go 2 squares up with your palm. But after that,
Or one.
or one.
Yeah.
But if you go 2,
squares,
after
and-
that you can only go 1 square each time, okay?
Yeah. But since you passed my pawn,
Yeah.
I can take this.
Right.
So it's your move. Now you can take with the knight.
Hold
or
on.
the rook.
But why did you take my pawn?
Because this is called en passant. En passant. When you pass my, if you don't challenge this pawn, and you go right here, I got the option to go here, because it's called en passant. You pass my pawn without challenging it. See, you passed my pawn, you didn't challenge it. So if you don't challenge it, that's cool.
Wait, Mac, what the fuck? You just got my pawn for nothing?
No. If you go here, I go here. Now you got the option to clear your. This is how you clear the congestion.
You're right, en passant. You're right, en passant. I forgot about that. All right, then. So okay, so I'll go boom and I'll take your. Okay, good. I forgot about that.
Yeah.
En passant. That's French for what again? En passant. Yeah.
So I go here.
Oh, you move?
Yes, queen.
Oh shit. You see, you made me move that.
Yeah, you had
You made
to
me move the
because you had a
pawn.
congestion right here. These 2 pawns was dangerous, so you had to clear that pawn out of there. If you didn't,
But now my king is exposed.
no, well, it's a little exposed. Look, my king exposed too. And that's why I'm castling over here instead of over here.
Okay.
So you had to bring all your attention over here with all your pieces. All your pieces got to, yeah.
All right.
There we go. Right over here.
You saw what you did just now?
Here, I push the pawn.
No. I'ma fuck you up now.
No, if you take, I'll take.
What?
You just went in the pawn.
Oh shit, your queen is down there. Yeah.
And my rook.
And your rook. Okay. Damn.
So if you go here, now I got to move my queen because, or I have to go here. And then if you take, I take, you take. So we making a good exchange.
So, no, wait. So, where was this?
Here.
Here. So if I go here,
Right. I go here. If you take the pawn, rook takes, knight takes. It's good for you.
yeah, but I'll lose a bishop and you won't lose a valued piece, right?
I lose a valuable piece of rook.
Because I take the rook.
Yeah, you take the rook. You go here.
Yeah.
I go here. You take. I take.
Oh, good. No, you're teaching me. Good. No. I'll do that. So I'm gonna move from here.
Right.
So remember, people, with chess, you have to think several moves ahead.
Right.
So if I go here, okay, so I'm gonna do that.
Right. I go here.
You go there. Bishop takes pawn. Rooks take bishop, and then knight takes rook.
Yes. Okay,
So people, just so you know, he showed me what to do. I came up better because a rook is more valuable than a knight.
Right.
But again, just remember, he showed me what to do. Okay.
Okay. So I go here.
You go there. Now, if I take that pawn,
I take pawn, so I can take pawn.
you're gonna. Okay, in the interest of just getting it going, I'll just take the pawn.
Okay. So I take with the knight now threatening the bishop.
Okay. So knight threatens the bishop now.
But the queen is protected.
Right. But the queen is protecting. So if his bishop, because knight moves at an angle. Knight is the only man that can jump other man. He wouldn't have to jump any here. But the knight moves at an angle, right? There's the only one that can move at an angle. So the knight, his knight can take my bishop. But it probably wouldn't be a good idea for him to do that because my queen is here. And the queen is the most powerful. It's one of the few games that, give women ratings, right?
That's right.
Right.
That's why they're in it. That's why they're in the chess game.
That's why they're in the chess game now, right? Again, people, chess is one of the few games that is not sexist against women.
Right.
Because in chess, the most powerful character is the queen.
Right. Yes.
The queen can do way more than any other man. The queen can do more than the king.
That's right.
But it's all relative though, because in order to win the game, it's the king that you have to put in checkmate.
Yes.
All right, so if I do that and threaten your,
Nope, you gotta move forward.
yeah, the pawn cannot move on a diagonal. It's got to go forward. Okay, I forgot that. Let me play this quick so that let's go forward.
Now I'm castling.
You castle, okay. I already castled over here. All right, let me do something daring now.
Look, you got a pen.
I got a what?
You got the pen. You can take this or this. I'm gonna let you take this because I don't want to lose my point.
So if I move my knight over here, okay, I'm threatening both the bishop and your queen. But you're going to protect your queen, so you're going to move your queen. And then I could take your bishop.
Yes.
Your bishop.
Yes.
Okay. And then you take that. Okay. You take your knight. All right. Let me see what else I can do. Now, I want to give my queen room to move, so I'm going to do this. You always want to keep your queen mobile, people.
Okay.
All right. So my queen can do that. And then you have this thing that they call, I'm going to do this. What did you take there?
Take the bishop. Queen takes a course. I took your bishop, so you got to get something back for it.
Okay, queen takes your. Okay, queen takes a knight. Right. Queen takes knight.
Yes. Okay. So now I got to.
Okay. Now rook could take that pawn, but the knight will take the rook.
Right.
So I can't do that.
You can take the pawn. Take it with the pawn. I mean.
Yeah, I could take the pawn just to make it interesting so the game keeps going.
Yeah.
But then his knight won't take my pawn.
No, I'm not going to take it. Not
because then my rook is going to whoop his ass.
Yeah. Now you got this on push.
No, wait. What are you saying about that?
On push.
And then what happened?
Get one of this. I got to move my queen. You either get this or this.
Okay, so when you have two men there, you have a pawn, it's good to go in the middle right here, right?
Because you got protection. You got the protection.
Right.
Now I have to go here. Check. I have to take.
Oh, you have to take?
I have to take because if you take my queen, if I move the knight, you're going to take the queen. If I move the queen, you're going to take the knight. So I have to take the pawn.
But then my king is going to take your queen now.
No, your rook has to take.
Oh, don't use the, okay. Don't use the, okay. All right. Oh, so rook takes queen.
Right. And then I take, and you're in check again.
And then I'm in check again.
So you have to move the king.
Then I have to move. Yeah, but if I move the king, then...
You got to move the king out the way.
I got to move the king. I ain't have no choice. But when I move the king, I'm going to put my king in check with your bishop.
No, not yet. Unless when I move the rook, then you'll be in check.
No, but if I take your king, don't I put myself?
You can't take it.
What?
You're protecting it. You can't take. You can't go like this and still be in check.
Right.
So you have to move the king. You can't move here because you'll be in check with the rook. So you got to move there.
Okay, so just move over here.
Right. And then I go right here with my rook, check. Now you're check again. So what are you doing? What are you doing?
Oh, no, hold on. So you move over here with your rook, right? And I'm in check again?
With the bishop.
Oh, with the bishop.
Right. So now you got to get out of check.
And then I have to get out of check.
And I have to take this.
And then, oh shit, you fucked my queen up. Oh man, life ain't fair, right?
No. So you got the free knight.
Okay, so I take your knight.
Yes.
Let's see what's up.
Okay. So now, I don't want you to have the on. So I gotta go here. You gotta go here. And if you go check, I gotta go here.
Well, I gotta make that play. Yeah, check, yeah.
So I gotta go here.
Okay.
So you gotta get your queen back, or I don't know.
If I gotta get my what?
You gotta get your queen back. I don't know. Push. I don't know.
If a pawn reaches over there, it turns into a queen?
Yes, a queen, a rook, a knight, or a bishop. Never the same person. It went through the battle, it deserved its stripes. So his stripes,
oh, you know, I didn't know that in chess.
Yes.
So if my pawn reaches over there, I can turn it into a queen.
Queen, a rook, a knight, or a bishop.
Queen, a rook, a knight, or a bishop. Hell fucking yeah, let's get a queen.
All right, so now I'll just take it. Now you get the rook bishop.
Well, you just took my, what's that? What did you just do?
You promoted your pawn. My bishop took. So now you have to take.
Oh, then I take this,
Yes,
right?
Yes.
Okay.
Now I take this.
Then
Now
what
it's
did you take?
even. I'm up 1 point. Oh, we're even. We can call it a draw if you want.
We could call it a draw?
Yeah.
You know what? I'm going to call it a draw.
All right.
I'm going to call it a draw, Mac. All right. At least I keep my ego intact. You know what I'm saying?
yes,
I'll be like, when people say they meet Mac and whatever, I'll be like, yeah, I drew with Mac.
Uh-huh.
All right?
Yep.
I can get all cocky and show off or whatever. Here you go, my brother. Is $10 okay?
Yes.
Okay, I appreciate that.
Appreciate you.
That was fun, Mac. Thanks a lot. All right?
Thank you.
You take care, my brother.
sir.
And from all my family, my TamFam. They're
Yes.
called Tam. Say hello to the TamFam.
Hey, hello to the TamFam.
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 All right, then. Big up yourself.
Yes,
All
sir.
right, then. Cool. All right, you
Yes,
take
sir.
care, man.
Uh-huh.
Oh, and one odd thing. Say, Squeaky, get a girl.
Squeaky, get a girl.
Get a girl, Squeaky.
Yeah, I need to get a girl.
No, say Squeaky, get a girl.
Squeaky, get a girl.
Get a girl, Squeaky.
girl.
All right. Take care, Mac.
All right.
All right. Why? Trash. So, that was fun. So people we right smack in at the middle of Times Square. A bit of things go on here, so. At night time, this lights and all them thing proper, you know. You see that little place there over there, so we pass it already. Over there, so you can buy Broadway tickets. When the seat them not sell, you can buy them cheaper over there, much cheaper. So of course that's my spot when I'm doing Broadway plays. And I now go up this, you know. Well, I walk up there a little bit, but I look a bit of people there now, but the place is always full, you know. And you see by catch down in the late afternoon or going in the evening, all kind of people there hustle, do all kind of things, all kind of performances and things. Some people now perform, them just say a tour bus. Yeah. Of course, big tourist spot, but it's also an area where you have to be careful. Got hustler them there. You have to watch your purse. When you have your backpack, you have people that walk up back and you go and like them and read newspaper and open up all your backpack and think, take out your thing or whatever. You have enough people there going like them are tourists and thing, and them a map out and look who left them thing careless and all them something, you know? So you have to make sure so you pay attention. I just over there so the center everything, you know, like over there so behind the bus so in the middle. And that's everybody usually go and take them pictures and all these things, you know. But I to go up there still. I just a show on, I just cross and most of them when they come here already, when they're used to this, you know. We who live in New York City, we couldn't care less about Times Square. We avoid these things as usual. When people live in our city, them avoid where the tourists them love go, you know. There are people who live in Orlando their entire life and never been to Disney World. Most people who live, born and grow in New York City, they have never been to the Statue of Liberty or them something. it's just outsiders who come in and want to do them thing, you see it? So yeah, I eat that. Times Square. Usually when you go over in the middle over there, some big things are going. You see later over there, ram. All kind of performer want them look for money, you know. If you take picture with them, you give them money. That's what I say. It's a bumblebee over there, so. And you have to be careful if you all go near somebody and hold up your phone or whatever. Right away they want to take a food off of you, you know. See how I go on. Rascal, you know. Yes. All right. Yeah. You're seeing something. Play a song now, play a song. Yeah, play a song. Yeah. What song is that? Can I get a song for you? Yeah. Yeah. Oh, you mean let them know, yeah? Are you enjoying this?
Yeah.
Are you enjoying it?
No.
I am.
Yeah.
You know, listen, you come to Times Square, you see anything, man. You just work with it, man.
Yeah, man.
I guess you think she's singing a song, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Hey, what you gonna do?
Yeah.
All right, you take care, my brother.
Yeah, you
okay, cool. All right, you take care, man. Oh, you mean? Big tune. I want to hear about. Yo, you come to Times Square, you see it. You see the best and the worst of New York City, you see me? There, man. All right, watch your ride. Oh, by the way, yeah, when you're there, them place that I'm a phone me and use, you know. So between me and you, I kind of look around, you know. I don't get it twisted, you know. Them have a thing with the bike, man. Them just roll up and grab your blood clot phone and gone with it here. Try to know that. So, you can't too casual and careless around here, you know. Them about say, hey, I want to go on here, so. Lemonade. Wait, that's all, the line, yeah? The line is just for lemonade, that's it? One line. The line is just for lemonade? I want them to take picture. How were the rest? That's that. People don't look on the line, look on the line, look on the line. Look on the line, gone weird. Are the line that, you know? Just to buy lemonade in the middle of Times Square and take on a picture.
Yeah, but it's Louis Tomlinson's lemonade.
Huh?
Louis Tomlinson, One Direction.
I'm sorry?
Louis Tomlinson is a singer of One Direction, and this is his lemonade, the launching.
Oh, Oh, no, I get it. So it's a special lemonade. It's not just any lemon. So it's a singer from One Direction.
Yeah.
What's his name? Louis Tomlinson.
Yeah.
And this is his brand? Oh, Louis Lemonade.
There you go.
There you go. I thought it was just, I didn't get it. Like a long line for lemonade.
Oh, yeah.
It's not just lemonade. It's a Louis Lemonade. All right. Okay. So people, you don't know One Direction. You don't know is a big boy band for my listener. It's free lemonade? Is it free?
You get it in line, I believe.
Oh, so they don't have to buy it?
No, I don't think so.
Oh, so they just take pictures with Louis Lemonade. That's it, right?
Yes. Like
Okay, now I get it. I thought, silly me, I was like, I didn't get it. Why are they joining the long line just to buy lemonade? They could buy lemonade anywhere, but it's a special lemonade. Okay, yeah. All right, so I learned something too. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay. So for those of you who don't know, you have a boy band, a very popular boy band named One Direction. So apparently him start a thing named Jesus Christ. Them never gonna start one lemonade sitting there, man. Raga's lemonade. TamFam. If Raga sells something, what you think me could have sell? Or I could have brand? And yes, Raga, any of you sell this, people are gonna buy it from you. What do you think me could have sell? Cheryl, Dr. Mac, Chumpy, Squeaky. What do you think Raga could have sell? What you say? A Raga something this and it could have sell. Jesus Christ, sure, seriously, buddy. Sure, you want me to say? No, Romian, you know, said a panty something there, you talk it like joke. You remember MC Nuffy? One time him did one clash me and insist to clash me and I call me Raga Panty. Raga Panty, and me I say, that is a good idea. If me brand a panty, I think you know how much woman would want to drop them panty and know some face arrest right on them front. You know how much woman would love to wear a panty and then like my face upon them front and my daddy a chat about. Nah, me a Raga with the innocent mouth and them just stand up there and say, innocent mouth. You can't go and talk about innocent mouth right now. The whole of your face rest right on my front, on my drawers. Here, Raga, that me I tell you. You know, so the Raga panty them would have sell though, no? The Raga panty them would have sell, right? You hear a woman say, you rest right on my clit right I know you talk about Raga panty, but you not do it, but you not kiss it. You're kissing it right now. No, but big and see. I owe this a man I know. With a man named Father Duffy, I owe him. Then I owe. Hold on, I'm soon come. I owe this a man. Yo, my man, can I ask you a quick question? No, I'm just. Who is Father Duffy? Who is Father Duffy? Oh, you don't know? I owe him. So him get for coming at the Migla Times Square. Oh, it's a owe you. Why them put you in at the Migla Times Square? Father Duffy. Hear me talk. No, man, no, touch a QR code there. So people, we in the Migla Times Square right now. Alright, hold on. So what on the tip I could have sell them? Malone. Hey people, what on the tip? Alright people, we in the Migla Times Square. Like right in the Migla Times Square. See? Taylor Swift. Later she have a dash out for Travis Kelsey. Yo, Duffy, me a cut here. Respect. Bless up yourself. Alright, people. Times Square. See it there? Oh, I could not walk with me today, you know. Just more so I'm not gonna get more of this. RagaRoad here. Alright, watch your right. Yeah, so back to you now. What do you think Raga could have? What do you think Raga? What do you think could have sell? If me I sell something, my brand something, business we are talking about right now. Me I look for one and say, you know, even though the light, you know. They would buy a dozen of the, they would have buy a dozen of the drawers them. Nothing in food. Kiss my ass, you out there, where you try to say anything to do with food when me have a flap. Brighty. Raga, you can't sell a touch off of the bend thing. No. T-shirt people, no man, people that pirate that easy. I want some of them can't pirate easy. Anybody who sell T-shirt, them bandula that, them pirate that easy. The T-shirt thing. The T-shirt thing are just a branding, you know. If you want people know about you and thing, you know. Let me see one who that say. Terry Strawberry said the drawers, though. Cookie Mancha said, then can't pirate your tongue, Lord Jesus. Water bottle. Now, there's an idea. Spice creation. You know, that is a good idea.
Big man.
Yeah?
I want to run into your life playing, you playing the man over there right now.
If I what?
No, you was just playing the man in chess, right?
Yeah, I was just playing in your chess, yeah?
Yeah, you just pop up on my live feed right here.
I came up on your live feed when I was playing Mac in chess.
I don't even follow you neither, yeah.
You don't even follow me and you came up just now?
Yeah.
For real? Yeah. What is your name, huh? Drew, Raga. Where you from? Brooklyn.
Yeah, born in Guyana though.
Born in Guyana, Jamaica. Caribbean scene. Bless up yourself, you know, respect and honor. So you said it pop up just now in your live?
I was just drinking something right now.
Are you like, yo, I'm in Times Square. This guy's in Times Square. Where is he?
But it was the game I was more focused on though.
Oh.
You know, and then I see you just start walking and I'm like, wait, I know this area right here. I'm pretty close. So.
You see it. Respect, man. Blessings here, sir. Protection, safety, man. Cool. Why may I tell you, social media is something else, you know, man. Police, Times Square, security and thing, you know. Them are doing them. Hello. Blessings, man. Respect, man. Cool. Wanna see our bumper. Whoa. Blessings, cool. Huh? Oh, you want to know what that is? Yeah. I didn't know, so I can pass on the knowledge. Okay. You know the boy band One Direction?
Yes.
There's some guy in it called Louis. Okay. Right? That's a Louis lemonade right there. Okay, so it's a special lemonade. Okay. From Louis from One Direction, the boy band. Okay. So that's it. That's what the line is about. Louis lemonade. See, somebody gave me the information and I could pass it on. There, that's how the world should be. All right, take care. Some of them look like they're thirsty for lemonade for show. Anyway, I make my way go back down, you know. So people, you see them look a road, you know. Them have the Broadway theater, them, you know. I think Lion King, theater must have done this, I want to. Yo, Minnie, what's up? Minnie, nah, give me no earrings. So it goes still. Minnie only have eyes for. Lee Jae-myung out, fake president out. I think he's demonstrating saying the president of Korea, South Korea, he says out. Okay, all right then. Huh? Crazy guy. The president of South Korea? Fake? Okay, all right. Blessings, man, cool. Me not get involved in them things. I don't know what is what this so here. Leave that alone. Now one soldier stand up and thing. Times Square in all its glory. those of you who have never been here, one night RagaRoad I go come over here, man, in the night, yeah? So, awesome. You see my friend, the man, still a sing, you know. Yeah. Yeah, my girl, that, you know. Yeah. Take it to the bridge now, baby girl. Take it to the bridge now, that's right. Yeah. Hey. That's right. You want to see it there when girl good. See that the Beyonce walk. Beyonce walk, she nearly leg out. Yeah. See it the bucket for head and beer things. Yeah. A real good as you know. Big up yourself here, queen. You know, so she take it for the day, though, you know. Well, I see me have something I can bless her with again before. Work, she work, you know. Can't knock her. Yeah, can you sing a song for me? You sing it?
Yeah, I got it.
You got it? Yeah, can you sing a song for me? Do you know a song? Sing a song. Hey, play the guitar, play the guitar, play the guitar, play the guitar. Hey! Play the guitar now, man. See it there, good as. See it there. Dr. Mac, your Ragabash outfit can't touch this. No fun to dress up a Ragabash. When you not gonna look so, see it there? Hey! Hey! Oi! See it there? See it there? When girl good. Them dead. The whole of them dead, good as. The whole of them dead. Walk out. Humbucker. Walk out. Hey! Yeah, mad thing. See it there? What them here about? What them here about? See it there? You know, she dressed better than the ANC them. Yo, I can't bother. John, no.
Just making sure.
All right. Cross back the road, you know, because cross, yes. Watch your ride. Ribby bong, spang. Ribby bong, spang. All right, watch your right. Yes, I. Selassie, Jah Rastafari, I and I. MJ, the musical on Broadway. My kids would love to see that. Well, my daughter would love to see that. She's the performer, you know. Alright, making my way back now, you know. So yes, I respect. No, man, I'm good, man. I'm good. All right. A man, I sell me something, but you know, we know the road code, you know, we know how to deal with them things, you see. To run in. Well, I can turn back here up on 43rd and go down, but I go down on the world famous 42nd Street. Hold on the door. 42nd Street. Down this way I go. Seeing? Cheryl Bless, where I go down. Yeah, man, on the top up the screen, tap up the screen, tap up the screen. Oh, everybody give me a heart, me. Just press the orange heart beside my name on a device. Press the orange heart beside my name on your devices. And just follow it and do what it says for you to give me a heart, me. See it there? Mad thing. Mad thing. How them black people are dressed up so? Look there, you see them? How are them there, and how are going over here so? I know I want to go on this, you know. Yes, I. Anne-Marie, big up yourself, you know. Cheryl Bless. French Vanilla. Cookie. One cookie, you know. Raga walk with swag, pour me. I don't even know about swag right now, you know. Right now, I just walk. Raga, did you eat? Yeah, earlier on I eat. Everybody all watch me eat. I eat chicken and vegetables and drink one blue drink. Yo, people, what the blue drink the name again? What the blue drink the name? I think I have something to do with that sky or sitting like something up in that sky. What the blue drink the name? Floating on air. People, they see how Munchie mix up though. So the one thing she come ask me, if me eat. You see, when Munchie asking them questions, they have to be careful, you know. And Munchie ask you if you eat, you have to be careful what she ask you, you know. Because you may go admit to something what you don't do. Because you know, say Raga with the innocent mouth. But don't want no confusion. So we don't want to admit, so we do something what we know, so we don't do. Where is this in New York? Midtown. We went to Summit Vanderbilt earlier. And then we just take a walk, go down to Midtown. You know, for those of you coming in the later part. You see, over there up on 42nd Street, over there so Fashion Week, I always do them thing, you know. For those of you into fashion, you know, it's New York City. At the center for finance, Wall Street, the center for fashion, the center for food, international cuisine, you name it. New York City, the city that never sleeps, everything there. It's a good, you know, she look like a Madeline thing, but them won't eat. That's one thing with the Madeline, you see her? See how she maga and thing, them not eat, man. And the white man see them and you can count all of them ribs and I'm like, oh my God, she's so fucking hot. At my blood clot, my girl go eat some food. Your maga don't to nothing where I see you bone them. No, you're not hot. Big up all of the women them who slim and maga naturally, you know. I don't care how much you eat, you just slim and maga anywhere. I mean, I don't know why God designed it, so boy, but the maga woman them then can have some fat something, you see, man. Oh, I don't know why. And the maga woman them, man. Yo, oh, right, it bicycle nearly lick me down.
I don't care if Chris comes here.
Hold on, pay attention. I can't go. Alright, watch your right. Let's go. I know some. Oh, yeah, I want to go down this. All of the ladies them with weight and all them something big up on herself, you know. You know, I want to no bad mind the thing, you know, but me I tell you the truth. You see, maga woman them, and them have the fattest something ever here. Ask Chumpy if I like, but I ask Squeaky. The only one my Squeaky see I the one them in a blues, so him not gonna know. But ask Chumpy if I like me. I put angels around you to keep you from harm, to light up your darkness until you're safe in my arms. Sweet green. Okay. I look like some vegetable thing. How is this name? Joe the Juice. Alright. I put angels around you to keep you from harm, to light up your darkness. People say Grand Park over this. Over this a Fashion Week always there, you know. World famous Grand Park on 42nd Street. Long time something, you see? To keep you from harm, to light up your darkness until you're safe in my arms. I put angels around you, but still don't know the next line. Angels are na 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 na. Mama come up here, so I have to be careful, you know, because I don't want Mama go collide in me and thing, eh? Well, I film enough thing with Raga in the streets already and thing and post them, you know, over the years. But this is the first live I do. La Botaniste. 100% organic plant-based food. Pasta boyo. All these things I want to. Yeah, so these are the first road something we do. We're live. Call it RagaRoad. You understand? So we're in the street and we're live. Mad thing. Now I'll get more of this, man. Because I enjoy this. Wow. My man, what's that called? What's that one called?
Fruit bowl.
Fruit bowl? But is it a particular name?
It's just a mixture of whatever ingredients you want.
Okay, is it good? And did you get it here? Botaniste.
Yeah,
Botaniste. Okay, blessings, man. Thank you.
13, 14.
Alu Shapazara said, that's me. Post, that's me. Alu like Zara close them. Zara, yeah. Because I know enough for no. I only say Zara, don't. Yeah, I know enough Jamaican love Zara, you know. See the Zara. One of the favorite stores for Jamaicans. And now we're coming up on the world famous 5th Avenue. Of course, when you go up closer to Central Park, you see all of the top designer stores them. And when we say top, we're not talking just Louis and them something, we are talking designer stores. We're not found and don't even know about. Some designer names were big in a certain circles, but ordinary people don't even know them. But them they're on 5th Avenue. So one day maybe I'll go up there and show you that too, but not today. Not today. 5th Avenue and thing, you know? World famous, world renowned. As I indicated earlier, in the United States, when you say New York City, you refer essentially to the 5 boroughs. However, we in New York City, in Queens, Bronx, Brooklyn, and Staten Island, when New Yorkers say, yo sir, everything good? Big up yourself, you know, safety, yeah. But, you know, Raga thing. Yo, me have to give thanks to the boy, Miss Cherry, if you see your boy. Boy, Miss Cherry, me wish you did there, boy. Me not, people, man, fire shut off for me, me get stabbed up, me go jail. Me do all kind of things reach me in a life. And you know, so me don't have no regret for none of them something there. One regret me having no people. I not lie, and sometimes you know, sometimes me still get a little bit emotional about it. It wouldn't even make no sense. Cause I say, look how long your mother dead, my youth. Your mother dead from you. Your mother dead from you 15 and you still have whatever, you know, but I not lie. One time I see some blessings reach me and thing or whatever, I say, John, no, Miss Cherry should have day for you all. You know? I say, I want to go on there, so. Fiend dog got, you know, the man in a wheelchair, you know. Yeah, me I tell him, I don't lie people. I want to look at thing more time, I hold a meds and I say, John know the old lady should have there for me say. I say, Mama, what kind of work you have to sit down and keep yourself quiet, man. Are your time for relax? No, man. I make your wash belly son take care of you, you know? And yeah, more time, you know, y'all walk on 42nd Street and a man a drive a truck a while ago and ball Raga! Can you imagine all if I walk with her, my mother right now and she see that now, she'd have just look on her boy and say, well, I'm a billionaire, you know, but at least you come out to something, you know? People rate you and love you and heal you when them see you and thing and whatever. One of them things there, you know? Miss Cherry, shoot out and try down. You see what I say? Bumbuckler. Don't lick me down. Don't lick me down. Yeah. And one of them things there, we give thanks still. We give thanks still and you know what I say, you know? Miss Charity there right you know. I know say my mother did a life would have motivated more for, you know, do certain things and take certain things on certain level, you know. But yeah, man, you see a man a drive him truck a while ago and the man by Raga on 42nd Street, Manhattan, New York. I give me a yell, you know. One of them things there. Miss Cherry, big up yourself, you know. So people are here, so me go to them with me. So this is where I was today. Summit One Vanderbilt. So for those of you who want to know where I was, again it's on 42nd Street, right here at Grand Central, okay? Now I can go in there so to get my train, but I'm not going in there. So something not going there, so it's a Jewish thing. Mitzvah Tank. Welcome, Moshiach, Shabbat Lubavitch. Yeah, so it's a Jewish thing I go on here, so you know, Rebbenitz Chaya Mushka, Sneers. Oh, see them in there prayer. Okay. See them Jewish people take them things serious here. Truck that are going and things. Wait, what? What? Alright. Yeah, my respect. Alright. Alright, now go inside Grand Central Station for sure, you know. Grand Central Station are one of the oldest monuments in the United States of America. Very old. The architecture is celebrated a lot. There are two big like central stations in New York City. One is Penn Station and one is Grand Central Station. And Grand Central, anybody who take Metro North trains to like upstate New York, to Connecticut, New Haven and them places and whatever, this is like the terminus for all them trains there, you know? So when I was at Vassar, which is like 2 hours from here by train, this is where we came when we take the train from school to come down here. So a lot of people who live upstate New York, who work in the city, they come through Grand Central Station. So in rush hour, in the mornings and in the evening, thousands upon thousands of people come through this place, you know. Right? Look at the restaurant here, but we are going down in the center now. People, this was my stamping ground, you know, man. Regular made it in here, so you see me? Back in the day, I mean a college and thing and whatever, you know. This is the world famous Grand Central Station. See? Somebody talk about the red line. See them up there, sir? New Haven, right? I'm going to New Haven, Stamford, New Canaan, South Norwalk, Harrison, and them place there, you know? And then where the audience, see it over here, so now. You have the Harlem line and the Hudson line. For me, it was the Hudson line, but let me just go on a sweep, I got. Alright, let me show you the ceiling. Yeah, Grand Central Station. No. Right, that's some used to come buy my tickets, them. See that? MTA Metro North tickets. Alright, some used to come, you know? You know, you get your subways. I think the subway them will come through here, so the 4, 5, and 6 Green Line subway, you know? And of course, you have the Long Island Railroad also. LIRR. You see that's the tracks 102 to 114. Over here, so you have the Metro North tracks, them, you know? But downstairs, you have a whole heap of little shops and things. Yeah? Oh, see, they said the dining concourse. People, my phone I run out of charge, you know. Alright, I forgot Lego this, you know. Alright. And you know some have a way name there, you know. But big up on yourself, you know, thanks for hanging out with me today. Yeah, my phone I run out of charge now, so big up on yourself, you know. RagaRoad, don't. One TamFam, big up on yourself, man. Everything is everything, alright? I'm going to end this thing here now. I'm going to catch my train and go on the yard, alright? Bless up on yourself. Glad I could have keep on the company for several hours. I want to keep my company too, you know? It's all about content for one of them. And entertainment and all these things. What? The food court down here turn up. Well, yeah, them they remodel the place for a long time, so I'm going to have a quick look before I go in. See it there? Way down the line. Beer food and things and things and things. Alright? But you see a my speed over here, so to Long Island Railroad. I do my thing now. Bless up on yourself here. Later again. You don't know, alright? So when I look more. Straight blessings, go.